Before we can use Studio One, we have to download and install it first. So go in your browser to the website presonus.com, and on the top of the screen is an item that says log into My Presonus. Click on that. And now you will be brought to a page where you have to enter your user credentials. So let's do that. And click Login. Now you will be brought to the first page of your Presonus account. On the top are a couple of items, Home, My Products, Exchange, My Orders, etc. Go to My Products, click on that. And you will be brought to a page with all the Presonus products you have registered. The first item over here is Studio One for Professional. So I click on Download Installer. If you click the item, you will go to the product page where you can download it, but it's easier and quicker to download the installer directly. So let's click on the icon with the arrow down. Now your browser asks if you want to save the file, and yes, you want to save the file, so click Save File. Now the file will be downloaded. Now the download is finished. Now we can click on the icon to open Finder, or it's called Explorer in Windows. You can click on that, or and let's do that. Let's minimize this window. So click on the minimize button on the installer, and you can find the installer in the downloads directory. Double click that. Now the program asks if you want to open that file. Yes, I want to. Left is yes, right is no. It asks which language do you want to install. There are a couple of languages in this list, but I'm gonna select English, so I click OK. The installer says welcome. You have to click next. The license agreement, you agree with the license agreement. Click I agree. Now it says program files, Presonus Studio One. Where do you want to install it? And indeed, I want to install it in this directory. The default directory is just fine. So click install. Okay, now we're ready. Click finish. I'll minimize this window. You will see that there is an extra desktop item over here. You can double click that, or you can go to your start menu and look under the S and click Studio One 4.
Now you can copy and paste the license key from Studio One from the website to the software. You can do this by selecting the key, press Ctrl C and go to the software and press Ctrl V.
Okay, when we have started Studio One, you will be brought to the first page of Studio One. That's the start page. So let's click on Create New Song. Here's the OK button and here's the Cancel button. So I click on OK if I manage. Yes, and now I will be brought to the creational space of Studio One. So now I can make my song.